next topic, permutations, formation of words with given letters. Here we have two cases where is the repetition of the letters is allowed and the repetition of letters is not allowed. Let's go with the first case, repetition is not allowed. Find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose, where the repetition of the letters is not allowed. In some questions, you are directly given the statement as repetition of the letters is not allowed. So you're not going to repeat the letters R-O-S-E. I can't write R-R-O-O-S-S that way, right? So here, now whenever the repetition is not allowed, the direct answer will be, how many letters do you have in this word? 4 letters, right? So I'll write it as 4 factorial, which is equal to 24 words. Therefore, 24 words can be formed with the letters of the word rose. Now, let's see it with another example. Okay. Now, I take the example of the word top. How many words can I form using the 3 letters of the word top? I can write T-O-P, T-P-O, P-T-O, P-O-T, O-T-P, O-P-T. How many words did I get here? 6 words. 6 words. Okay. This is a traditional method. Okay. Now if I keep on writing the words with the letters of the word rose, I get 24 words. So I can't keep on listing all those. So the simple answer will be 4 factorial 24 words. Here it will be 3 factorial, which is equal to 6 words. Why did I take 3? Because I have the word given with 3 letters. So I am taking 3 factorial. Rose word is given which has 4 letters. So I'll go with 4 factorial. This is a 3-letter word. I'll go with 3 factorial, 6 words. The next question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation? Using each letter exactly once. See, here the keywords are each letter exactly once. Means you are going to use a letter only once. That is, repetition is not allowed. So, how many letters do we have in the word equation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, your answer will be 8 factorial, which is equals to 40,320. So 40,320 words can be written using the letters of the word equation. So simply count the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 factorial, right? So 40320 words. Our next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word inhale be arranged? Inhale. How many letters do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. So 6 factorial is your answer. What is 6 factorial? 720. So in 720 ways the letters of the word inhale can be rearranged. Okay, the next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word fight be arranged? Fight is a 5-letter word. So 5 factorial. This will be your answer. 120 words. In 120 different ways, the letters of the word fight can be arranged. The next question, in how many different ways can the letters of the word display be arranged? Display. How many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So, your answer is 7 factorial. The total number of letters in the word display are 7. So, we go with 7 factorial words. This is your answer. The next question. Find the number of ways of rearranging the letters of the word root. R-O-O-T. If you can observe here, the letter O is repeated twice here. Right? The letter O is repeated twice. Okay, now the formula here goes total number of letters in the numerator 4 factorial, and how many letters are repeated and how many times? O letter is repeated 2 times. So I'll go with 2 factorial. 4 factorial is 24 divided by 2 factorial is 2. On cancellation we get it as 12. So 12 words can be formed using the letters of the word ROOT. Here repetition is allowed. Now if we take an example here, I'll take the word BEE, B. In general, if it is a 3-letter word, we get 3 factorial, that is 6 words, right? Because the letters are repeated here, I can write one more word, EEB. So only 3 words can be formed here, right? The formula here is BEE, 3-letter word, 3 factorial divided by E is repeated 2 times. So I'll divide it by 2 factorial. 3 factorial divided by 2 is 3. So 3 words can be formed using the letters of the word BEE. And using the letters of the root, O is repeated 2 times, right? So total how many letters does root have? 4. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is equals to 12. The next question, find the number of ways of rearranging the letters of the word institute. Institute. How many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 factorial goes in the numerator. Denominator. Now the letter I is repeated twice, that is 2 times. Right? And the letter T is repeated 3 times. 3 times. So what goes in the denominator? 2 factorial. Letter T is repeated 3 times. So 3 factorial. This is going to be your answer. Don't get scared seeing the big word. It is very simple. Okay. First in the numerator, how many letters do we have in that word? 9 letters, right? 9 factorial divided by which letter is repeated how many times? I is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 3 times. So 2 factorial, right? 3 times. So 3 factorial. This will be your answer. In how many different ways can the letters of the word present be arranged? Present. How many letters do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 factorial divided by E. The letter E is repeated 2 times. So we get 7 factorial by 2 factorial as your answer. Which will be 7 factorial is 5040 divided by 2 factorial is 2. The answer will be 2520. So 2520 words can be formed. The next question, in how many different ways can the letters of the word test be arranged? Test. Test is a 4-letter word. 4 factorial divided by T is repeated 2 times. So 2 factorial. 4 factorial divided by 2. 24 by 2 on cancellation we are left with 12. So 12 words can be formed using the letters of the word test. In how many ways can the letters of the word intermediate be arranged? How many letter word? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 factorial divided by what letters are repeated? I. I is repeated 2 times. Next, N. N is not repeated, T is repeated. The letter T is repeated 2 times. Okay. The next letter E. E is also repeated 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. All the remaining letters are distinct, right? There is no other repetition. Now I factorial is 2 times, so 2 factorial. T letter is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. E letter is repeated 3 times, so 3 factorial. So your answer will be 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. In the numerator goes in the numerator is the total number of letters. Total number of letters in the word intermediate is 12, so 12 factorial. In the denominator, take the letters which are repeated. I is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. T is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. E is repeated 3 times, so 3 factorial. This will be your answer. Thank you.